Hi everybody! We're going to learn some more of our sun salutation today. Go ahead, find a spot where you can move, and let's get started. Alright, find your mountain pose, some steady feet and steady arms, and let's start. Let's take a deep breath in, and swoop yourself forward. And here's where we left off last time. So now, you're going to have your body in your forward fold, and we're going to take a deep breath in, and come up, but only halfway, and then a deep breath out, and go all the way back down. All right, let me show it to you from the side so you can have some more ways to practice. Find your forward fold. When you're here, you might have your knees bent. Your hands might be on your shins or on your thighs. You might have your feet wide, whatever you need to do. And then we're gonna take a deep breath in, and you're gonna bend your knees. And you're gonna come up halfway. And think about having a plate of food on your back. You want your back to be super, super flat. And then deep breath out. Let's try that one more time. So take a deep breath in and bend your knees if they're not bent already. Turn your back into a table to hold some plates. And deep breath out. Very nice. Let's put it all together. Find your mountain pose. Get your feet super steady. Have your arms at your sides. Here we go. Let's take a deep breath in. Arms up, say hello to the sky. Deep breath out. Swoop down, say hello to the ground. Deep breath in, bend your knees. Turn your back into a table. Deep breath out, all the way back down. And let's swoop our arms up again one more time. Deep breath out. Very nice, everybody. That was the next part of our sun salutation, and we're going to learn some more next time. For now, though, let's go do a brain fact. Brain facts. It's time for brain facts. Let's learn something new about our brains. Have you ever turned on a light bulb in your house? You turn on the switch, and then the light comes on? Well, our brains are so powerful that they could turn on a light bulb all by themselves. There's so much activity and power and thinking going on in our brains that they could turn on a light bulb, just like the ones on our ceilings. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.